Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll share with you the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. So let me share those opportunities with you. So first job opportunity is with respect to BitSquared software. So they are hiring freshers and they're hiring freshers with respect to various open positions, Microsoft Power Platform developers, Microsoft Dynamic 365 developers, quality assurance. So the eligibility criteria is also given. They are looking for BTech, CSIT, EC, MTech, CSIT, EC, AI, BCA, MCA, Bachelor of Engineering. So all of these things are applicable. Those are eligible. You can apply. So just scan this code and you can directly apply, right? Then there's a requirement with respect to the automation test engineers for the Cognizant company. So Cognizant company is looking for automation test lead, Playwright automation test lead, mobile automation test lead, Cypress automation QA. And you can send your resume to cognizant.jobreferral@gmail.com. Then there is a company in Mumbai which is hiring for life insurance domain testers. So they are looking for manual testers who have got expertise, who have got experience in a life insurance domain. Experience required is 1 to 3 years, and the location is Mumbai. It's a work from office job role. So there's a email address wherein you can share your CV. So apart from this, there are multiple other job opportunities. So let me share those details with you. Okay. So there's a requirement for freshers, software testing engineers, and the eligibility criteria is BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, certification in manual and automation testing, good communication skills. Skills required is manual automation testing, Selenium, bug tracking tools, regression and stress testing. So you can send your resume to this particular email address, which is mentioned here, hiring1@omfysgroup.com. So this is the name of the company and they are hiring freshers. So this is for the freshers who want to start their career in the field of software testing. Then again, one more fresher job opportunity, and this is a walk-in drive which is happening today as well as it will happen tomorrow. The timings are 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. and the location is in Navi Mumbai. 10 open positions are there. So they are looking for freshers who want to kickstart their career in the field of testing and who can apply. So people who have passed out in the year 2019 to 2025, passed outs can apply, freshers can apply immediate. This is for immediate joiners. And this is the certification rule. BE, BTech, BSc testing certification is not mandatory. Other branches testing course with certification is mandatory. Candidates with 2019-20 passed out testing certification is mandatory. Okay. So location is Thane, and you can appear for that walk-in drive directly. Then there is a requirement at Tech Systems. So the position is QA automation engineer. The experience required is 3+ years. So they are looking for someone who knows automation, AI, ML, Selenium, Cypress, Playwright, Python, Java, CI/CD, knowledge of cloud. So the location is Hyderabad or Bangalore. Notice period is immediate joiners. Work mode is hybrid. So if you're interested, you can share your resume to the below email address. Okay, there's the email address, and you can send your details with all these particular details like total experience, relevant experience, notice period, CTC, expected CTC, current location, preferred location. All of these details are required. Then there is a requirement for manual tester, 5+ years of experience. Location is Andheri, Mumbai. Work mode is hybrid. Joining would be immediate joiners only. So the key skills required is manual testing, strong SQL knowledge, REST API testing, test case design and execution, bug tracking and reporting. So you can share your resume at this email address. Then there's a requirement for a Playwright automation engineer role, and it's a contractual role. It's a remote job opportunity. So every day we are sharing remote, work from home, work from office, hybrid jobs as well. So the shift timings would be 8 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. They are looking for an experienced Playwright automation engineer with 5+ years of overall testing experience and strong expertise in automation frameworks. So they are looking for experience in software testing with a strong focus on automation, hands-on expertise in Playwright using JavaScript, TypeScript, and experience working with CI/CD pipelines, solid understanding of API testing, database testing, and integration testing. So if you're interested, you can share your updated resume to this email address. Then there is a requirement for multiple SDET roles. So regular shift 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Candidates with a 15 days to 1 month of notice period can apply. And these are all the links. So what I will do is I'll place all these links in the first comment of the video. So it becomes easy for you to apply. And these are the details. So let me open the job requirement here for SDET roles. Right. So let me share those details once. Mm. So those are the screen sharing as well. So that company which we were discussing, that is hiring. Plus, this is one more company which is hiring, and this has been posted today only. They're hiring for senior QA, and it's a full-time role. So end date to apply is February 18, 2026. So you can apply here. Uh, This is the name of the company, Pro LLP. Okay. So responsibilities they are looking is for someone who can review the user stories acceptance criteria to ensure full understanding of deliverables, designs, develops, and maintains test cases. Then skill set required is a growth mindset, open to learning new skills, can code, perform application testing, test automation as well, right? Product has good amount of product knowledge, business context. So all of these things are required. And they are looking for 5+ years of experience in the field of software testing, experience in C, C++, Java, or any other language, and solid understanding of OOPS concepts. See, OOPS concepts are mandatory. If you're applying for any particular jobs, OOPS concepts are mandatory for you. Okay. So these are the job opportunities with respect to freshers as well as for experience. And we shared with you the remote work from home jobs as well. So you can apply for those particular jobs, as well as there are some freshers jobs we saw today. For example, this is a company which is hiring freshers. So please apply for these particular job opportunities today, and also share this link with the maximum people out there in the network so that it is easy for them to apply. It is easy for them to get the job. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.